That helps, right? There we go. Now y'all can probably hear me. That helps, right? Yeah, there we go. We had the retracements went down yesterday and last night. We're going to be still looking for some buy positions on most of these charts. Was looking for one here yesterday, but price did the retracement yesterday. We just had some GBP news pop off. We got some USD news popping off later on today. So this alerts. A few setups we're going to be looking at. So members, those that watched the New York price watch list yesterday, those that was in the London session live yesterday, I watched the chart analysis from Sunday. NAS went as projected, broke that higher high. US30 might try to attempt to break the higher highs later on today, but they haven't done so yet. So is there any levels I can add? I feel like, no, we already broke past that. Yeah, so we broke some new highs. So now we're just going to be waiting to see if we're going to see some new levels. Well, we're going to see some new levels. We're going to be waiting to see what those new levels are going to be as far as the indices go. But we had a bunch of retracements pop off last night. We had GDP news last night at 2 a.m. And as far as what we got going on later on today, we do have some Euro news at 5 a.m. Then we have at 8:30 Canadian news. And then at 10 a.m. we have USD news. Yeah, we're going to get rid of NAS. We're going to pull up SPX. We're going to look for some SPX buys. SPX got a little bit more work to do. We're going to be watching GJ. We're going to be watching gold. We're going to be watching SPX. You guys got any questions? Drop them in the chat. We're looking at charts. Drop them in the chat. Looks like GJ is still retracing, so we're going to just let that retrace. What's going on, Jared? What's going on? And I completely forgot. Well, I didn't forget. I didn't hit send, so I guess I did technically forget. I forgot to hit the send button yesterday. But we didn't take any trades yesterday. We didn't take any trades, just held positions from the day before. But as far as new positions, new trades, we didn't take any yesterday. Those are joining the stream. We are not into this yet. It's just a trade idea. Go ahead and hit that first link in the description. Join the free signal room, free Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month and last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. What's going on, y'all? What's going on? Make sure you hit that first link description on the free signal, free telegram. You see on the screen how we did last month and last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. Got a new 5-minute about to pop up in a little bit. Price just kind of chilling out here. GJ. We can see a possible gold sell here. Gold ended up retracing yesterday as well. We saw a bearish momentum. If price can continue to hold 2028 as resistance, we could look for sales going back down towards 2020. If we can hold 2020 as resistance, we can go back to 2006. That's what I'm kind of looking for. Wouldn't really look for buys unless price breaks above like 2036. You guys got any questions? Drop them in the chat. When looking at your charts, drop them in the chat. Shout out Cleveland. How you feel? I'm feeling good. Feeling good. What about you? Can't complain. It's Friday. I got that broker video dropping for y'all later on today too, so be on the lookout for that. It's for the U.S. clients mainly. Now the brokers I found, they have their own apps. They're not MT4, MT5 related. So you will have to like learn the platform a little bit. But they work. I know some people that use them as well. I've been testing them out personally as well. You guys got any questions? Drop them in the chat. When looking at your charts, drop them in the chat. But we're just chilling, patiently waiting right now. GJ, everything's kind of retracing. We can look at a possible EA buy here. We're just waiting for our confirmations right now. We can look at that possible GN buy as well. We're going to see how this candlestick closes. EN popped up. Let's see what EN's looking like. EN's already trying to push up. Also 11 o'clock. Yeah, so I'm going to be watching these charts right here. Again, we didn't take any trades yesterday. I did not hit the send button on the recap yesterday, but we didn't take any trades yesterday, so we're 4-0 this week so far. This is how we did Wednesday. Wednesday, we caught 13,447 pips. We took an EN buy, caught 100. Wait, no, that's not right. Is that right? Oh, okay. Okay, that is right. All right, so this is how we did on Wednesday. We took a NAS sell. All TVs got hit, got 13,300 pips. EN buy, all TVs got hit, we caught 147 pips. Then this was the screenshot of that NAS sell. Beautiful drop to the downside. Y'all can check that out yourselves. Then how we did on Tuesday, we went 2-0, caught 151 pips. And then on Monday, we went 1-0, caught 25 pips in the EN position. As far as how we did last week, we went 4-0 last week as well. Giving us 100% win rate, caught 5,650 pips. And then if you scroll to December 31st, you'll see how we did last month. Last month, we went 22-1, catching 24,481 pips, 24,089 strictly with the members in the advanced play signal room. Every trade posted has the date, time the trade was entered, personal entry, SL, TPs, how people view to enter the trade, reactions, TPs getting hit, screenshots, positions, to results, testimonials, all that good stuff is all in the channel. Make sure to explore and check that out. Make sure to explore the YouTube channel as well. Dropped the video a couple of days ago. If you haven't watched that yet, make sure to watch that. Dropped it in the chat about 3-5 minutes ago. But yeah, right now we're just chilling, patiently waiting. Just chilling, patiently waiting. Yeah, I need to grab my charger while I'm doing that. What's going on, JD Mac? I see you in here. Got a new 5 minute just popped up. So we got retracements going down. We're still not going to be going for sells yet on those buys ideas because we're in an uptrend. So we're just waiting for the next buy position or waiting for the confirmations that are needed for us to go for what you call it, a sell position. Yeah, so we're just chilling, patiently waiting right now. You guys got any questions? Drop them in the chat. Want to look at any charts? Drop them in the chat. All right, so we're about to see if GJ can push back up for us. Got about a minute and a half to the next 15 or 5 minute pops up. Yeah, so we want to see if that next 15 price can push back up for us. Pushed up. And then can retrace for us. Whoops. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok too, y'all. Y'all see it scrolling at the bottom of y'all screen. Instagram has playmaker_way. TikTok's _playmakerway_. Post daily on both pages. I got a whole bunch of stuff in the works for y'all. Got a video dropping later on today for y'all as well. It's not gonna be during New York. I got a few things to do during New York. And the members, I'm gonna message y'all what time we're gonna be going live today as well. I'm thinking we're most likely gonna go live during the 10 o'clock news event. I gotta double check my schedule. I'll let y'all know. But we're gonna be going live for a New York session today. So right now we're just waiting to see if price can break and hold these levels of support still. If they can, we're gonna go for some buy setups. Yeah, they're still rejecting. We let US30 retrace. We could look for a possible style here, honestly, as well. Don't think put the stop loss that high. Put it a little bit tighter. Could be risk doing so. Those just joined the stream. We haven't entered anything yet. These are just trade ideas. Yeah, so G is rejecting the level again. We had price do some huge moves all this week. Like literally, we looked at Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then yesterday. Price shot up all week. Came to the previous higher highs. So retracement is not too shocking. But again, we're still in the uptrend. So we're still going to be looking for some buy setups. Right now, we're just waiting for the next best position in place to look for buys. That's all we're doing right now. Been waiting on you to drop the US broker video. Good looking. Yeah, I got you. I got you. Yeah, that's gonna be dropping later on today. Thinking about the afternoons and Friday on a good note after the markets close, but it is dropping today. So I'm just gonna be two different ones. It's gonna be a broker strictly like got gold on it, forex pairs, and then there's one that has futures. I think that trades gold on it as well. I'm gonna have a video going over the details. I'm not sure if this video, I'm gonna make a separate video going over how to work it and all that stuff. Because again, the platforms or the apps, they're not using MT4, MT5. They're their own apps, their own platforms. So it's a little bit different. What do I think about GU? Last time I looked at it, it was a disgusting mess. So let's see if it's done anything with itself since yesterday. Let's take a look. Yeah, it's still nasty. It's still nasty. We do have bearish momentum, but as you can see, price has just been struggling to even break out of this level. So I'd rather just wait for it to break out that level. So if it continues this bearish momentum, we could look for sales from 2670 down to 2630. But I'd much rather wait to see if 2630, 2620 can get held as resistance than look for sales going to 2570. But yeah, I'm leaving it alone. That's why I haven't really been trading the past couple of weeks, because it's just been just a choppy, rangy mess. Versus there's been other charts that have had a lot cleaner, structures. You know what I'm saying? Like a lot of times, what a lot of people will do is they have their favorite pair, which is nothing wrong with having a favorite pair, but your favorite pairs are going to have days and weeks where there's not going to be any good setups. But a lot of times, people still want to trade certain pairs, even though it's just not really that good looking setup. So there's not enough volume to break levels and stuff like that. Where the thing is, if you can read one chart, you can read any chart. So if I can read any chart to understand how price works, why am I going to try to look for setups on GU, for example, versus GJ or EN or GN like we did this week? But yeah, personally, I don't really like GU. It's not attractive at all. So I never really trade it. But that's what I'd be looking for as of right now. So we went over how we did last month. We went over how we did this week. We spoke to January 4th. You can see how we did last quarter. We're going to go over that in a little bit, but I need to grab my charger. And then I'm going to write some trade ideas up, because it looks like the markets are trying to wake up a little bit. You got any questions up in the chat? We'll put some hard stuff in the chat. What's going on, y'all? If you're not subbed to the channel, make sure to sub. All right, we're slowly growing. We're taking over this year. Honestly, nobody's dropping stuff like we're dropping. All right, we might not have the views yet, but the quality of the videos is definitely in there. If you haven't checked those videos out, make sure to check them out. So I want to see how this candlestick closes. If it can continue to hold this level of support, we want to look for a buy setup here. Did a nice retest right before markets closing, right before token session. So we're going to look to see if we can ride the rest of that momentum. Everything else is kind of just chilling in place right now. Let's get rid of this. Yeah, when we're watching gold and we're watching EN, these are the ones I like right now. So I'm going to write some trade ideas up. No problem, Dinesh. Those just joining the stream, we have not entered this yet. This is a trade idea. We have not entered this yet. Go ahead and hit that first link in the description. Join the free center and free Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month and last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. But give me 1 second because I'm about to write some trade ideas up. I want to see if Ian can close on this level or close above this level. Got about 3.5 minutes till the next 15 pops up. If you just get your trades, I might look for some buys again at this level. Still kind of chilling. There it looks like it's all the reject. Yeah, price still retracing. We're just gonna let it do its thing. Yeah, price just retracing. Like I said, I'm not going for sales on these because we're still in the uptrend, so I'm just going to let price retrace. See if it can push back above this level or see how it reacts to the next level. You guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. Look at me charts, drop them in the chat. Let's see what this next 5 minute looks like. So while we're waiting, we can go over how we did last quarter. Like I said, you guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. But we're just chilling right now, patiently waiting. We're almost at 2,000 subscribers as well. It's almost 2,000 people in the free Telegram. That's what's up. And if y'all haven't watched the Sunday chart analysis, yes, it's Friday. But still watch it so y'all can see what price was looking like at the beginning of the week and then compare it to what it's looking like right now. Because a lot of things went as projected the entire week. We did have a slow Monday because we just started off the holiday, but Tuesday and Wednesday was pretty good. Yesterday was a little slow. There was a couple moves, but nothing I really liked. But we're gonna see how today is going to go. So this is how we did last quarter. This is October, November, and December combined. We got a total of 240,157 pips, 207,561 strictly with the members in the advanced play signal. October we went 32 and 5, catching 157,608 pips. November went 22 and 1, catching 58,068 pips. And then last month, December went 22 and 1 again, got 24,481 pips and reported 76 and 7, giving us a 96% run rate. Every trade posted as the date, the time the trade was into, personal entry, TPs, SL, how people viewed it into the trade, reactions, TPs getting hit. All wins and losses are posted in here. Student results, testimonials, screenshots, positions. You can explore, check all this stuff out. Yeah, right now we're just waiting for price to meet our confirmations. Again, we had huge pushes to the upside. We have clear bullish momentum on a lot of these charts. But price isn't just going to continue to shoot up nonstop, just like price isn't going to continue to tank to the downside nonstop. Retracements are part of the game. Lows and highs are part of the game. So right now we're just waiting to see how price is going to react to these next couple levels, or if it can push back up for us. If you don't understand or know how to identify the trade, make sure to watch this video right here. GBPJPY is probably the same thing. Yeah, so we'll see if we can hold this level. We needed that volume to break through this level of traffic. So now we're about to see if we can retest and stay above this level of traffic to the left right here. So we're going to see how price reacts to around 92.20. So you can hold a little support. We're going to look for another buy setup there. Oil price can push back above 93.20. Yeah, we just got retracements going on right now. Same thing with gold. Gold's been definitely struggling to push to the downside, but it's definitely been bearish momentum. Now we're chilling on this level, so if we continue to hold this as a resistance, we can see this going to the lower low today or possibly next week. But we just see a bunch of ranging, kind of like with GU as well. There's a bunch of ranging. Gold broke the all-time highs already, so it's like they either don't want it to keep going, kind of like what US30 and NAS did. Now, as far as gold, if gold can break and hold 2036, 2038 as a support, I might consider buys. But I might just hold off until it hits one of those I actually wanted into position zone. Those just join the stream. We haven't entered anything yet. It was just trade ideas. Go ahead and hit that first link in the description to the free signal for Telegram. If y'all want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Instagram. I'll see it scrolling at the bottom of y'all screen. Playmaker_way. I respond to all messages. You can also message me on Telegram as well. Shout out everybody in the live that's been here from the beginning. Shout out everybody that's been in the live since y'all joined. Like I said, be on the lookout later on. Well, depending where you're at, if you're on the the North America side, be on the lookout this afternoon. Gonna be dropping that US. It might accept other ones. I'm gonna double check that and make sure to include that in the video to see if they accept clients from outside the country. I'm pretty sure they do. But the ones we're going to be going over is regulated brokers, and these are the best ones I found. I ran into a bunch of other ones that were just garbage. Most of the popular ones are garbage, which is why probably nobody uses them. And everybody was using them 24 and 25, trading on unregulated brokers. So be on the lookout for that. You guys got any questions? Drop in the chat. When we look at any charts, drop in the chat. Make sure to hit that first link as well. Gold pushing up. U15 started. Yeah, so we're going to. I was looking for a retest on US30 so we can buy. But it looks like it's not ready to do that yet. So we ain't going to do nothing about that. Like always, we don't chase trades. Nice pivot point about an hour for session, which we see that happen a lot. We see that happen a lot. And I say it all the time, but it's not that serious because we still be catching moves and pips regardless. Whoops. But we notice all the time, like an hour before London touching 2 a.m., we be seeing some volume kicking as well. Well, we're going to be looking for some buys on SPX if we're going to hold this level. We're going to add another level, speaking of which. Or is this the highest SPX is going? It's gone a little bit higher. Yeah, so we might see some all-time highs get made for US30 and SPX as well. I wouldn't be against that. I wouldn't be against that. NAS, I'm going to leave alone personally right now. So if I'm going to trade the indices, it's going to be SPX and NAS. So kind of like how these are looking around here. Can't really go project what's going to do any further than this. But we're going to go from here. Appreciate all the likes too, y'all. I know we ain't really into anything. I know stuff's kind of slow right now, but that's how trading is. It's not always quick and fast paced all the time. It's like fishing. We're going to see how price reacts to these next levels right here. Can you talk about the brokers some more while we're just chilling? Yeah, so they basically, like I said, I'm gonna go over in the videos, but they work the same as MT4, MT5. Only thing that's different is they're their own apps, and the leverage is different because most brokers you can select different leverages, and most of us go to 1 to 500, but with these is not 1 to 500. I forgot the exact leverage, but I'll make sure to include it or have it included in the video so y'all know all the important information. Like I said, depending on how long it is, I don't want it to be a super long video, but if it needs a two-parter to break down like how to like take trades and operate it and like how to calculate certain stuff in there, I might make a video for that. But it's basically the same. Like I have no issues with them. It's just a different app, a different platform, so you just have to get used to where things are and how to go about using them. But I like them. They're pretty chill. Obviously since they're US brokers, you don't have to use crypto. You can just hook up your card. The withdrawals hit your card automatically. Deposits get straight from your bank. I think you either use your card or your actual routing number. I think I chose the card option on one of them. But yeah, very quick, no issues. It's actually kind of quicker than crypto, obviously. Crypto that's going to be 2 to 4 hours, 2 to 6 on average. Sometimes you can get things within an hour or 30 minutes if you time it right. But yeah, I like how it looks too. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, so I got alerts on these charts. Again, we're just waiting to see how price reacts to these levels. Again, I'm not going to really switch the script until price shows us that it's changing the overall direction. Again, just because price is shooting down right now doesn't mean we're in the downtrend or bearish. And vice versa, just because price is going up and we see green counts, it doesn't mean we're in the uptrend or bullish. So right now we're just going to be watching and see how it reacts to these next couple levels. See how price plays out today. Hopefully it's not a repeat of last Thursday and Friday, because so far last Thursday was kind of similar to, yesterday was kind of similar to last Thursday. And then on Friday, we didn't take any trades because Friday was just super dead. So we're going to see how this Friday goes. Again, we do got a couple news events popping up later on as well. That's probably why price is kind of choppy. Also, we just had GBP news an hour before London session. We got about an hour orange folder Euro news, and then at 10 a.m. we got USD news, and we have a bunch of orange folders all day today. So it's going to be very interesting. Very interesting to see what happens today. Yeah, my price just kind of doing something right now. We're going to be on for a little bit longer. Do they have their charts? If their charts or trading view? Like I said, it's just like how I do things on here, how I do my analysis, my markups on TradingView and I enter on T4 and T5. It's the same thing, except you're just entering on their apps, right? But they do have charts on their apps as well. So it's just like MT4 and T5. It's just their own platform. You know what I'm saying? It's just their own platform. Yeah, like I said, I'm gonna go over all that the details and stuff in that video. So be on the lookout for that video later on today. All right, y'all. So yeah, price is kind of dead right now. I'm gonna be on the chart still, but things might try to pick up between now and 6 o'clock. If not, we might just have to wait till New York session opens up. Because again, they did some huge moves all this week. We had retracements yesterday and today go down and take place, and reversals on some cases. So we're gonna see what happens today. All right, y'all. So if you haven't checked out my most recent video, make sure to check that out. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Make sure to join the free Telegram, first link in the description. And yeah, we're gonna see, you know what I'm saying? We still got a London session and New York. So we're gonna see if we can catch some setups. Members, yeah, I think we're gonna just do we'll just go live for the 10 o'clock news. Screw it. We'll go live for the 10 o'clock news. So I'm gonna send y'all a message in a little bit, going over all that stuff. And yeah, we're gonna be back at it next week, same time. London session, 3 a.m. EST. We're going.